We'll guide you through how to create a reel on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A reel is essentially a short form video, so let's get started. What you need to do is come to the bottom of Instagram and click on the plus button like so. Then come right down to the bottom and you'll see the option for post, story, then reel, which you can go and select. So you can go and create a reel using a video from your camera roll or gallery, or you can go and take one now by selecting the camera in the top left like this. Instagram will require access. Just to give you a quick rundown of the camera page, at the top you can choose if you want to use flash, choose the speed, then you can go and set a timer. You can open up the camera settings in the top right. Over to the left you can use audio, effects, layout, and there's a few other options as well. You can flip the camera in the bottom right if you want to. I'm just going to go and start recording by clicking and holding, and there we go. Now what you can do is once you're finished, you can go and record more clips as well. You can click next in the bottom right, and now we can go and start editing it. Now on the edit page, you can go to the bottom left and click on edit video and we can get started. So what you can do is you can go and click on text if you want to go and add something. I could go and type in hello. You've got all of the different text formatting tools at the bottom. Choose the position and press done. You can adjust it in the timeline as well. Then you can press back. You can go and add different stickers here. You can see what's available. You can go and add audio like music. You can then go and add more clips. You can go into the effects here and go and add one. You can go and make further edits, adjust the volume, which is super useful when you've got music as well. So you may want to turn down the camera audio or vice versa. Add captions, add a voiceover. You can use filters. You can import audio and you can also save it to your device as well. So lots of different tools here. For example, here I may quickly go and add just a simple filter like so. And then when you're done, you can click on the next button in the top right. Starting at the top, you can go and preview it. You can edit the cover, go and add a caption and hashtags. And then you've got pretty standard post options here like tagging people, adding a location. An important setting to note is the audience. I like it to be set to everyone. You can save the draft or we can go and share it like so. Shortly, it will go and appear on our profile as you can see.